5 websites to make $200 per day online in 2019. Welcome everyone. This is your first time to my channel. Appreciate you being here. Thanks for taking the time out of your busy day to check out this video, because in this video, I'm going to be talking about 5 websites that you can make $200 per day online in 2019. So become a part of the family. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit that bell notification bell, and make sure you let me know in the comments where you're watching this from. For my regulars, happy to have you here. And remember, we're getting closer to giving away that cash giveaway at the end of the month as shooting this video in April in 2019. So if you're watching this later on, make sure you check out my newest videos, because I always like to give away cash. And it's probably going to either be through PayPal or I give away some Amazon gift card. All right. So I just want to do that for being a loyal subscriber. So remember, at the end of this month, I'm going to be doing that. So make sure you stay tuned. Anyways, I'm going to jump into things right away because I don't want to waste too much of your time. So here are the 5 websites that you can make $200 per day online in 2019. So the first website is called JVZoo. And JVZoo is a big, large affiliate platform. They have a lot of different products. And if you know exactly what you'd like to promote, right, feel free to come and check it out. If you already have a niche, this is a great place that you can find different products that you can promote. So if you click on where it says Marketplace, if you go to Marketplace, you will see a lot of different products that these people have to offer. So if you look here, you see today's top sellers. So this means that these are the hottest things that sold today on the market. So this one is like Ultra Sweet Moto Theme VIP. I don't know what that is. But if you read through here, you can see a ton of different products. TXT video commercial. People are probably very interested in those. And right down here, it gives you the different categories, such as like e-commerce. There's business, health and fitness, self-improvement, and also software. So you could come here, you could sign up for an account, and then once you have an account, you can then start right away. And if you don't find what you're looking for, just hover over here where it says categories. I'm going to zoom in for a little bit so you guys can see, right? And you have business, finance, you have education, entertainment, gambling, systems, health and fitness. So you have all these. So if you would like to go out there and promote any one of these products, feel free to do so. Maybe you know someone who are interested in smartphones and mobile. So you could check that out. Publishing, writing, softwares, writing, speaking, internet/e-commerce. So right here, all you got to do is sign up for it. You grab your affiliate links and you start to promote it right away. And I'm going to show you where you can go, where you can get training, and how you can improve on your marketing with all of these websites at the same time. All right. So number 2 website that I'm going to be talking about is called WarriorPlus.com. And Warrior Plus is an affiliate platform. They have a lot of different products on here. So you could scroll all the way to the bottom. You can create an account, right? Because it's free to sign up. All you have to do, you can scroll all the way down to the bottom, or you can go to the top. You click on where it says create an account. Once you do that, put your name, password, and email. You can create one. And this has a lot of different websites. They have, a lot of different products. So there's tons of different products. So JVZoo and Warrior Plus, they go hand in hand. Now I'm going to show you a place that you can go that you can be ahead of the game. You can know what the hottest products are coming out on these 2 platforms. So you can create a YouTube channel. You could start doing reviews, because if you want to create a YouTube channel just doing reviews, you could do that as well. You can start getting your marketing together. Maybe you want to go through Facebook, or you want to go to Instagram or Twitter. So this website that I'm going to share with you is called muncheye.com. And what Muncheye is, they are a platform where there's a lot of people who have products on all these different platforms, right? So if they come here, you will see all the different platforms that are coming out soon. So you see big launches, all launches, some that are already launched already today, some yesterday, some is going to be tomorrow and the next day. So right here, you will see all the different products. Now on the left-hand side, I'm going to zoom in for a little bit so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So I'm zooming in. So right over here, you see the different platforms that they're on, and it tells you the date they're going to be releasing. It tells you the $37 at 50%. So if you scroll through here, you will see what's hot, what is not. So let's click on one of them and see what is up for grabs. So let's click on where it says I Am Wealth Builders. So I'm going to click on this, see what comes up. So this is I Am Wealth Builders. So Covert Curator, that's what the product is called, and it's going to be launching in May. So right away, you can get this, you can get information on here. The JV page, you can click on it, see what it looks like. You always want to take a look at it and see what is up for grabs. You can get me my affiliate link, and you can start to get the wheels turning. But they always let you know what is launching. That's what I like with this platform, what is coming out. So if you look through here, you could see this is launched in April. There's some coming out next month. So again, you could come here, find different products, start to look and see what they have to offer, start doing reviews on YouTube. And if you don't want to show your face and all that kind of stuff, you can use software such as like Zoom, US. There is another one called Screenomatic, and you can create videos without showing your face. And people just want to get the right information. That's all they want to do. All right. So the third website that I'm going to be talking about is ClickBank. And I know some people are like, well, we've heard so much about ClickBank. But the thing is, if you haven't done anything, you haven't put out any marketing, you haven't started to take an action, of course you're not going to see results. Most people expect they're going to get results overnight. Some people try 1 month, 2 months, they haven't seen anything, and yes, they quit. You just got to push through, because your biggest breakthrough is on its way. And if you're watching this video right now and you're already promoting any one of these products or any one of these websites, let me tell you, your breakthrough is coming. You just got to push, you just got to fight, and eventually your time will come. So ClickBank, yes, it is a great website. There's people out there still crushing it. There's people out there still making money, hundreds of thousands of dollars, tens of thousands of dollars through ClickBank. So this has a lot of different products. There's health products, there's fiction, food and wine. If you create a blog about food and wine, this is a place to go. Maybe it's health and fitness. You're creating a blog, YouTube channel, whatever it is that you want to go out and promote, feel free to check it out. So you can create an account. Just click on where it says create an account. Once you create an account, make sure you put the right information in here, because if you put the wrong information, and then when they ask for identification or bank information, and then you start getting paid, that will mess you up. It will mess up everything. So make sure you pick your country, wherever you're located, fill this out, fill all this information in, click next, put in your bank information. And then once you create an account, start looking and see what niche do you want to start promoting, and just go out there and start crushing it. All right. Number 4 website you can make $200 per day online in 2019 is Amazon. Yes, we all shop on Amazon. We buy things on Amazon. We got family members that buy things on Amazon. So yes, you can create an Amazon affiliate account. It's called Amazon Affiliate, Amazon Associate. So once you sign up for this, it is free. Once you get approved, then you can go out and you could start to crush it. You could start to buy things from it, and you can get things up and running. So you can join, advertise, earn, and you be well on your way to start making money through Amazon. All right. And that's all you have to do. Start to promote the products. And if you know people who shop all the time on Amazon, hey, go for it, right? Go for it and sign up for Amazon right away. And the website that I'm going to be sharing with you, this is the website that will teach you how to be a better marketer. It also teaches you how to become a great affiliate marketer. So there's lots of trainings. There's a lot of information for you to dive in. So make sure you check it out. And the website that I'm going to be talking about is Legendary Marketer. Number 5, coming in at number 5, it is a great website. There's a lot for you to learn. There's a lot that you can be a part of. And you could sign up for absolutely free. So check out the first link in the description. You could sign up for free. Try out their 15-day challenge. If it's something for you, then go for it. If it's not for you, then it's definitely not for you. But I've made a ton of money with this program, and I've used the education that they teach here to apply in my other businesses. So that's how good this website is. They teach you how to be a marketer. So whether you want to do coaching, consulting, you want to create your own digital products, all the type of stuff, you want to create your own events and mastermind, it's just a great company to be a part of. So check out the link in the description. And then once you start to go out and you start to promote, here's a place that I'm going to show you. If you have some money, let's say you sign up for any one of these and you want to start to go and promote it. If you have some money, just come on Facebook. Once you come on Facebook, you can join this where it says solo ads, sales testimonials. There's people in here. What they do, they rent a list. So these people have a large email list. This is their job. They collect emails from people who are looking for jobs. And what they do, they will send your affiliate link. Well, looking for jobs, looking for opportunities, looking to start a business. They will send your affiliate link to their list. And that's how you can get sales, you can get emails, you can start to grow your own list. So solo ad sales testimonial is a great way. This shows you the seller, and this is the person who buys. So this person buys from this guy. He bought 200 clicks. Out of the 200 clicks, he got 50% opt-in. And opt-in means that out of 200 people, 50% of people actually submitted their email. Did he get sale? Absolutely yes, right? So this right here is not a guarantee that you're going to get sales, but it's going to guarantee that you will receive opt-ins, you will receive email address. If you get a sale, then that is gravy, right? I know that everybody wants to get a sale, but you remember, you got to think about this as the long run. Build your list, build a relationship with your client base, and they will buy anything from you. So that's how it works. So again, those were the 5 websites that you can make $200 per day online in 2019. Thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, become a part of this family, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.